Good morning students, this is science video. We were on exercises and question answers of chapter number 8, that is reproduction in animals, and we have done name the following at yesterday's video, and today we are going to start with the question answers. Your questions are written on page number 72 in your science book, so you can write it down from there, or I have written the answer and questions as well. You can write it from that written part. Is it okay? And before starting with this, you have to be careful about leaving the lines and about the date, page number, and questions you have to write it down with the black pen, and answers should be written with the blue pen. And one more thing, if you are drawing a diagram, that means for example in question number 5 it's given draw the picture of life cycle of a butterfly. So you have to draw the picture of the butterfly and the life cycle of that butterfly. Clear? So I have given you in the practice how to draw it, so you can draw and color and label the diagram as well. Is it clear? You have to write down the questions on the line side and draw the diagram in front of that question in the plain side of your science copy. Don't make the diagram in the line segment or the line side of the copies. Is it clear? Diagram should be done on the plain side and question should be written on the line side of your science copy. Clear? And let's begin with the question answers. So this is the question answers we were talking about 1 to 4. Today we are going to cover 1 to 4 questions, and 5th will be homework for you, and rest we will do tomorrow. That is on page number 72. Clear? First question is, what is reproduction? So here is the answer. You have to write down the date, chapter name, and start writing the answer the following question. You have to mention the page number as well. First question, what is reproduction? The process by which living things produce young ones of their own kinds is called reproduction. Producing the same looking animal or same looking living being of our own kind, that is known as reproduction. Clear? So this is the answer. You have to leave one line blank between the question and answer. Is it clear? Question should be written by the black pen and answer should be written by the blue pen. What is metamorphosis? Second question. The process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Don't mismatch the spellings of from and form. They both have different spellings. From spelling is F-R-O-M and form spelling is F-O-R-M. So don't mismatch the spellings of both the words. From का मतलब होता है से, लेकिन form का मतलब होता है तरीका. ठीक है? फॉर्म बोलते हैं ना कि यंग फॉर्म, एक यंग होने का जो तरीका है और फिर एडल्ट के होने के अलग तरीके हो जाते हैं, वही है मेटामॉर्फोसिस का. समझ में आ रहा है? तो फॉर्म और फ्रॉम में चेंजेस मत करिएगा. दिस इज फ्रॉम एंड दिस इज फॉर्म. F-O-R-M. क्लियर? स्पेलिंग्स ध्यान से देखकर लिखना. What are the different ways by which animal reproduce? What are the different ways by which animal reproduce? There are the 2 ways. Animal reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. Animal reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. या तो अंडे देते हैं और या तो बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. क्लियर? 2 तरीकों से रिप्रोडक्शन होता है. Describe in brief the internal structure of an egg. Now you have to give the briefing of internal structure of an egg. How internal structure look like and how do they have different parts. So eggs has 3 parts in internal structure. Eggs के पास कितने पार्ट हैं? 3 हैं. First one is eggshell, So you have to describe the eggshell over here. It has thin, hard outer shell of an egg. Clear? It is a thin, hard outer shell of an egg. Albumin, a white jelly-like substance is present inside the egg, is called albumin. Yolk, within the albumin is a yellow part called the yolk. Clear? So these are the 3 points which you have to describe here in the internal structure of an egg. So your homework is to draw a internal structure of an egg in front of question number 4. Is it clear? You have to draw internal structure of an egg. It's on page number 67 in front of question number 4. Clear? I will give you the homework in the written form so you will get to know. And question number 5 is life cycle of a butterfly. So you have to draw that as well. There are 2 diagrams which is in your homework. That is question number 4 diagram, internal structure of an egg, and question number 5, draw the picture of a life cycle of a butterfly. In this you don't have to explain anything, just you have to draw the diagram in front of the question. That means 5th question should be written on the line side of your notebook, and a picture should be drawn in front of the question. Clear? Picture आप क्वेश्चन के सामने बनाएंगे और क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे सामने लिखेंगे. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपका इस पेज पे आ रहा है, तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ अ लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई एंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द दैट क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन आपका जहां पे लिखा है उसी के सामने आप वो डायग्राम बनाएंगे. और डायग्राम ध्यान से बनाइएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्या पूछ रहा है? इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एग. तो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एग बनाएंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के सामने. और डायग्राम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का पूछ रहा है वो क्या पूछ रहा है? लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई. तो लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई के सामने लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई बनाएंगे. समझ रहे हैं? मिक्स मैच कर दीजिएगा. पता लगा इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर का आप यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में बना रहे हैं. समझ रहे हैं? तो ध्यान से देखकर और ध्यान से समझकर क्वेश्चंस को तभी बनाइएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे आप इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे जो इस तरह का दिखता है, उसको लेबल भी करना है. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में ये लाइफ साइकिल बनाएंगे, जो लाइफ साइकिल आपको दिख रही है यहाँ पे, ये वाली. आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन adult butterfly, lays egg, caterpillar, pupa. Clear? Adult butterfly, lays egg, caterpillar, pupa. उसके 4 stages लिख देने हैं. This is all about today's work, and tomorrow we are going to cover 6 and 7 question of this chapter. Thank you so much.